kitchen. Today, I will be making incredibly delicious shredded chicken tacos. This recipe is so great that you will get the experience of fast food in your own kitchen. So stay tuned to learn how to make these delicious tacos with me. So let's have a look at the ingredients. You will need 5 small chicken breasts or 3 large chicken breasts, about 1.5 cups of tomato sauce, 250 milliliters of water, some taco shells or soft tortillas, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And for the topping, I will be using some feta cheese, diced tomatoes, sour cream, and some fresh basil, but you can use your favorite toppings. A taco is a traditional Mexican dish that was invented in Mexico centuries ago. So let's get started. Step 1. Make the homemade taco seasoning. Add the chili powder, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin and black pepper to a small bowl and stir to combine. Then set aside. Tacos started appearing in the United States in the early 1900s and are now one of the most loved fast foods. Step 2. Heat the oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Then add the chicken breast and cook for about 3 minutes on each side. Then remove them from the pan and set them aside. Step 3. To the same pan, add the tomato sauce, taco seasoning, and water and stir until well combined. The word taco means light lunch. Step 4. Once the sauce comes to a simmer, add the chicken back to the pan and allow to simmer covered for about 15 to 20 minutes on medium to low heat. Step 5. Remove the chicken from the sauce and shred it using 2 forks. Now return the shredded chicken back to the pan and allow to cook in the sauce for a few minutes. Step 6. Before we put the tacos all together, place your taco shells on an oven rack and allow to heat for about 3 minutes at 160 degrees in the oven. Now let's put it all together. First, I will be adding this delicious shredded chicken filling. Then top with some tomatoes, sour cream, feta cheese, and to garnish, some basil. Did you know that October 4th is National Taco Day in the United States? Wow, it looks and smells so amazing! I can't wait to dig in, so I have to go now. But thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes with me. See you all next time. Goodbye!